Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today I am taking you on a behind-the-scenes look at my adventure to go meet Steve Aoki. In this video, I feel like I say it all the time, but it is absolutely jam-packed full of amazing content. I even make a fool of myself. So, in this video, not only am I giving you a tour of a 3-story concrete bunker slash mansion, but I'm also going to show you what's a $5 million room, mind-blowing in itself, a pool that you can jump into off the top of the house with Aoki's actual logo slash face in it, and I make a fool of myself, as I said, because I decided to go into Aoki's Playhouse and jump into the foam pit. Let's get in the video, and I know you're not going to be disappointed. So I just want to jump in real quick. So as many of you have seen on my channel, I like to buy and sell watches. I've often said, and I even had an article written about me, which was so cool, and they put this in there, that I'm only a caretaker of these items. So this, as I'm watching the video with you, this Rolex that I went and sold to my friend Danny was my rose gold Daytona. If you want to see more on that video, I will make a separate video on how I buy and sell things and basically get to keep them for free or a profit as the caretaker of these items. I sold 2 watches last month, and then I picked up this deep sea dweller because I've always wanted one. And I bought it for well under market. So if you'd like to see that, comment below. But yeah, let's get back in the video, and I just wanted to explain a little bit more about this part. So for the main reason why I need to narrate these videos is for one of my favorite times in Vegas. Going out, meeting with Graham, Jack, Alex, and Macy, and having a blast with me and Kayla. So in this part of the video, we're actually setting up to do a collaboration with Steve at his house, which is absolutely unheard of in general, nonetheless for a channel my size. For Steve to allow this and to let me collab with him is so huge, and I'm so very thankful, Steve. If you're watching this video, which I hope you do, thank you so very much for allowing this channel to have such an awesome opportunity. To get Steve to literally do a private show for you. You know, it's gonna be in the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to get him to go do that. He doesn't discuss how much he makes or anything like that, but you just know, okay? He is an awesome creator. He is a business person, and for him to let us do this, it was awesome. The reason we're actually doing it at his bar instead of his beautiful library or his $5 million room is because we needed a place to sit down, have a counter, and watch some reactions. And we did so many cool videos. We did a Mr. Beast video. We did the reaction videos. We did the behind the scenes kind of couple clips in here for you guys. And we did an amazing interview where in that video, Steve was literally beating the table. He was getting into it so much. So I'm getting pumped still thinking about it. And we got a date. We're trying to figure this out to go back. And it's going to be a ton of fun. And then this part right here, it goes without saying, but Kayla Vazina is such a support to this channel. And not only is she absolutely drop dead gorgeous and beautiful and sweet, but she's also beautiful on the inside. For her to put up with me on all of these videos, this channel, taking up so much of our time and literally dragging her all over the United States, mainly to Vegas lately, to go meet all these different people. And she absolutely loves it. But let's be honest, you know, I think she would rather have a personal vacation with me than going and dragging her to meet all these amazing and awesome people. But I just gotta say, thank you, Kayla, for all the support. Thank you for being such a trooper for this channel. And she gets all your prizes mailed out when you claim them. And I just wanna, real quick, just say it one more time. Thank you, babe.
What's up? Welcome to the Card House.
Hey, y'all remember Ryan Rush? Yeah.
This is Aoki's Card House. That's what we do in the break tonight.
The magic. And you might recognize Ryan because he is the guy breaking boxes right next to Steve in every single box break. He also has been on my channel twice, and he is the owner of Pokemon World, the Facebook page. So go give Pokemon World some love. It's a ton of fun on the page. And he's the one that brought me that first edition, shadowless, beautiful, majestic Charizard. Cool. That is a Beckett 8.5.
Steve. I want these Gucci glasses. Those are sick.
Oh, I have to jump in here. This part right here is the pool, the outdoor area, and the wind was just blowing so hard. This pool right here is absolutely beautiful. And then right there, look, you can see Steve Aoki's logo, his face. I call it his logo face. I don't even know, but it's so cool. And then this railing right there that Ryan is standing at, this railing right here is where it opens and you can jump in the pool. I don't know. I did the foam pit. That's coming, but I didn't do the pool. Bok. I don't even know. So here is the Cause Companions. I think I'm saying it right. I'm learning, okay? But this is the doll with the X on its hands. It's been famous because the celebrities are just scooping it up, and they've always been very collectible. They were thousands of dollars. Now they're $50,000. It's crazy. Another cool thing at Steve's house is he doesn't drink, okay? But he does have a ton of alcohol in his champagne/wine room, so it's just really cool to check out. He's got a ton of expensive stuff in here. And then right here was one of the other coolest things. Not only was the shoe wall cool, the pool was cool, the foam pit was cool, but this is Steve Aoki's, paintbrush right here. This is where Steve mixes his beats and does all his cool stuff. This is his work at home office studio, which need to step it up over here on Grant Navarre's YouTube channel. And then right here is behind the scenes footage of him actually doing the pack pulls, all the cool stuff. I was on live with him and we've already reacted to that video here on the channel. And then check out Pikachu. So this little boy was so awesome, so cool. His mom is in the Pikachu outfit. What an awesome mom that she is. How cool was that? And just some more footage of the pulls right before I didn't sadly get that Charizard, but I did get my first piece of art. So now, I feel like I've got a companion, right? So it's my Charizard, statue that Steve said could be valuable as much as $35,000, which is crazy as can be. So it's a 3 of 8, which is pretty cool that I just started my art collection. Great, another hobby to put money in. And then this last part, we had Aoki's Pizza, and we were doing some late night gambling. It was a really fun game that we were playing, and then me and his crew went out to Tao and had an awesome time until like 5 in the morning. Steve would have went, but he had a date, and we said rain check for the next time. But I met a ton of really cool people, exchanged a ton of numbers, and hopefully you'll see them here on the channel as well. I ended up meeting Brett Knudsen, which has 200,000 followers on Instagram. Very cool guy, interested in real estate, instantly became buddies. I'm gonna link his Instagram below. And then also he linked me up with Ryan Panina, which was absolutely awesome. I watch Ryan on YouTube, and I'm gonna link his channel as well, just because hopefully we'll be doing some collabs in the near future. Oh yeah, and then we bought Steve this really cool like Beanie Baby Snorlax. It is the highest end Snorlax there was, very heavy, had a lot of weight to it, and I know he enjoyed it because, when you go to someone's house, it's customary to bring him a gift, so we brought him a Snorlax since we were pulling Pokemon packs. Oh, so this night right here, so this night was the second time we hung out with Graham, and he took us to all-you-can-eat sushi. It was so good, so much food, and such a great deal. So Graham is frugal, I promise. He is absolutely frugal. This was a fun night. I don't think I took any photos from the sushi restaurant. I should have, but if I do have one, I'll put them up right here. And then last but not least, the king of Pokemon, Gary, King Pokemon himself. We did a pack battle, and I don't know if I've showed it yet here on the channel, but you're gonna love it. But Gary is one of the nicest people on the planet. Steve's one of the nicest people on the planet. Graham is one of the nicest people on the planet. Everybody we are linking up with are so very nice, so very welcoming, and just amazing in general. So yeah, so look, and then now we're getting back on the plane to head home. So that being said, I'll let the B-roll roll of us getting back on the plane. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up the like button, hit that subscribe button, and notification bell. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I'd love to see you here on the channel. I answer every single comment, so please comment something very positive, awesome, uplifting. And remember, I 100% believe in you. I know you can do anything you set your mind to, and never let anyone tell you any differently. Hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you on the next one. All right.
30 minutes later, oh, you got to. Let's go!
Oh.
I won't look at you. I won't look at you.
Right?
I won't look at you.
The foot thing, it's throwing me off.
Okay, just show me normal then.
That would be way simpler.
I mean, my first time when I was here, I front flipped. The very first time. No chill.
Front flip?
Front flip.
I don't even know how to front flip.
Just put your head towards
No
the
matter
front.
how you fall, you're in flow.
Whoa! One more try. I'm out of breath. I lost my sock. And I was digging and I found it.